How to send audio messages on your iPhone. If you're struggling to find out how to do this, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is go and tap on the messages. Now go and search the person that you want to send voice message to. Now go and tap on the iMessage option, which is on your top right corner of your screen. And here what you have to do is tap on the plus icon, which is on the left side of your screen. Tap on audio, as you can see, and start recording your message that you want to send. Once you're done with your message, stop and tap on the arrow button, which is on your right side of your screen. Just by doing this, your audio will automatically be sent to your friends. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.